Hello friends, welcome to my weekly painting video tutorial series. Hope you all are doing great today. It's weekend and so let's do some extra scrubbing today to make a beautiful painting. Oh yes, you heard it right. We are going to use a dishwashing kitchen scrub to make this marvelous painting. I have drawn an outline of a deer beforehand to keep trace of its presence in our painting. So let's get started. Dab in some shades of lemon yellow, sap green and Prussian blue with the scrub to make the forest. Paint in some yellow ochre and brown to form the deer. Some straight lines with black, white, brown and ochre for the tree branches. And lastly, let's add some white wildflowers to add to the blissful aura of the forest. Thanks for watching, friends. Hope you enjoyed today's tutorial video. Stay tuned for more fun waiting on Wednesday and next weekend. And please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It's all free for you, but it means a lot to me. Thank you.